Welcome back to Locked Up and Free. I'm Brenda. So to any of my subscribers who are returning, welcome back. Any new subscribers, welcome. So anyway, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a look at my hair. So what I've done today is I actually took the time to go in and twist each piece. I'm using the LOC'D gel. I decided to twist the entire length of the lock to kind of like pull in some of that frizz and make my hair look a lot more refreshed. So today I'm just going to be sharing some texture shots with you all. This is going to be a quick little video. I am about 7 days away from being 3 months locked. So we will do a complete formal video around the end of May or the 1st of June. But just for today, I'm sharing with you a little quick video of my hair so you can kind of like see what it's looking like. So this is my hair, guys, and so I have done this hair and it came out really pretty, guys. I put some pictures in as well so that you can see it. But this is my hair and it came out so pretty. I love how good it looks. Using the LOC'D gel definitely gave it a look, made it look more refreshed, more refined, more kept, and that's what I like. So yes, but this is not something I do a lot. I haven't done this since I first did my hair. So it's been about almost 3 months since I have done it. So I just thought that it would be a good thing to do, considering my hair was so frizzy and it didn't matter what I did, it did not look like it had been done. So yeah, so anyway, I'm going to share with you some clips today. I'm going to share you first the clips of what it looked like before I did the full length with the LOC'D gel, and then I'll share you some clips of what it looks like after we did the LOC'D gel. Okay, so you guys stay tuned. So I want to show you all some close-up shots of my hair outside. I hardly ever do shots outside, and considering I'm actually getting ready to do the just kind of give you an idea of what my hair is looking like in texture shots, I thought it would be a good idea to stand out here in the sunshine and just pick up some of this texture and show you what my hair is looking like, guys. So I don't want to drop my camera because again, I'm up on my balcony. Yeah, so anyway, just an idea of what my hair is looking like. So this is what we have. So I'm just leaning out here, letting you see it in the sun. I am really loving my hair, guys. I love what it's doing. I love how it's looking. I'm trying to get out of pulling through it so much, because I do love to pull in my hair a lot, but I also hear that that causes frizz. So I'm trying to not do that. I might can use my camera here on my phone. Well, yes, I can. It kind of like gives me an idea of what my hair is looking like. There we go. So that is that. That's my texture shot, guys. So yeah, so this is what my hair is looking like. That's kind of like just a few little shots of my hair. So all I did this morning was I got up and I gave it a good spritzing of the water, avocado oil, aloe vera gel, and rose water mixture that I have in my bottle. And so I put that in my hair. Now I didn't put it in there yesterday, but I decided to do it today. So just kind of give you an idea of what my hair is looking like. So yeah, and this is my hair. Guys, I'm going to be coloring my roots again about the end of May. So I'll bring you guys along for that. But yeah, overall, I'm loving my hair. I'm loving the texture of it. I'm loving just everything about it. So yeah, so this is my hair for now, guys. So today I'm taking time. I just want to show you my hair. So what I did today, I have my glasses on because I'm actually at work. But what I did today was I took some time and I went and my hair was so frizzy, and I just felt like, okay, I know I'm gonna deal with some frizz, but I thought, hold on, let me take my glasses off. But I felt like the frizz that I was experiencing was a lot of frizz. Now I hardly ever take and just go ahead and retwist my whole hair, because I normally do interlocking at the roots, but sometimes I will take and retwist the whole hair down to try and roll around my finger to try and get rid of some of the frizz. So that's what I did today. And what I did was I put some LOC'D gel on there, some of the LOC'D gel, and that definitely tightened up some of that frizz. And so of course my hair looks a lot nicer, guys. So just standing outside on my balcony, upstairs, so that's why I look like I'm up high. But I took the time and I redid my hair, so it has dried now. Let me try and zoom so you can see. It has dried. So this is the what my hair is looking like. And let's look at this side. So yeah, so this is my hair after I put the LOC'D gel in it. The frizz is a lot better. My ends are curled, but this is not something that I will do every month. Now I haven't done this but one time since I started my locks. So this is the second time in almost 3 months, because in about 7 days I will be 3 months locked. So yeah, so just kind of give you a few texture shots so you can kind of like see what my hair is looking like. So right here, guys, I just decided to show you a few texture shots. I love the frizz that my hair has, but my hair was just so frizzy and it just began to look unkept. It didn't matter what I did. So I decided that I would go ahead and try out the LOC'D gel that I had in my bathroom. I had only used it once and it worked wonders. So today I decided to go in and take the LOC'D gel and actually take my time and go through each piece of my hair, twirling it from the root to the tip. With the LOC'D gel, and I must say it came out very pretty, guys. It has a little bit of stiffness to it, but I like that, and my hair looks a lot better, and the frizz is a little bit better under control. So I love the look of this right now, guys. I'm loving it. So yeah, I am loving it, guys. So when this is just a little quick short video so that you can get an idea of my hair, but we will do an extensive video when I reach 4 months. Okay, when I reach 4 months, which will be in May. All right, so this has been a little quick video. Locked Up and Free is my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.